10 daily habits that will make learning English way easier.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Story Hub. Today, we will learn 10 tiny daily changes that will replace your boring study sessions and make English feel natural. But before we dive in, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watches our lessons. We wouldn't be here without your support, your comments, and your amazing progress. Thank you. Now, let's get into the lesson. The first habit is shadowing for 5 minutes every day. But first, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say almost immediately. You act like their shadow, mimicking their pronunciation, rhythm, and speed for improved fluency and naturalness. How to do it? Find a short clip with a transcript, play it, and speak along with the speaker. Don't worry about the meaning yet, just focus on matching the sound and the flow. Why it works? This bypasses your mental filter and builds muscle memory for your mouth and tongue. Remember, fluency isn't just learned, it's copied. Habit 2, use your phone as a pronunciation coach. What is it? Use the speech-to-text or voice typing feature on your phone. What is speech-to-text? Speech-to-text is the process of converting spoken words into a text transcript, sometimes referred to as voice-to-text. It is available mostly as a software-based service on all mobile phones. How to do it? Open a Notes app and speak a common phrase into your speech-to-text. If the phone writes the wrong words, your pronunciation needs a tweak. Trust the AI. It's honest. Why it works? This is instant objective feedback. It's the kind of correction people are often too polite to give you. Habit 3. The commentary track, self-talk. That is talking to yourself. How to do it? For 1 minute a day, narrate what you are doing out loud. Use simple sentences like, I'm making coffee. I need the milk. Where is the spoon? Why it works? This is a fluency cheat code. It forces your brain to build sentences on demand and kills the hesitation that stops real conversations. Habit 4. Passive listening that actually works. The 70% rule. What is it? Passive listening means listening to English in the background while you do other things, and without trying to understand exactly what is being said. How to do it? Play a podcast or video where you already understand about 70% of the content. The tweak? Every 5 minutes, pause and summarize the last idea in your head in English. Why it works? This keeps your brain active, allowing it to absorb grammar and idioms without the stress of studying. If you want, you can take notes right now, but if you need the transcript for your practice, I can provide it. Let me know in the comment section. Habit 5. One perfect sentence. How to do it? Pick one grammar topic, like adjectives or past tense, and construct one flawless, complex sentence. Write it, say it, and own it. Why it works? This builds accuracy. One sentence done perfectly beats 50 sentences you've forgotten by tomorrow. The next one is actually very cool.
Habit 6, the 5-minute AI power session. How to do it? Use a free AI like Gemini or ChatGPT and spend 2 minutes asking it to correct a paragraph you wrote and 3 minutes role-playing a short conversation. It will give you perfect English feedback in 60 seconds.
Why it works. AI gives you non-judgmental, instant teaching. It fixes the specific mistakes that are slowing you down. Here is number 7 habit. Think in English for small decisions. How to do it? Before you make a small choice, ask yourself the question in English. For example, should I order coffee or tea? Or, is this shirt too expensive? Fluency starts before you open your mouth. Why it works? It trains your brain to stop translating from your native language. You start thinking directly in English, and that eliminates time wasting trying to translate from your native language to English. Moving on to the next habit, habit 8, read small, the 3-minute article. How to do it? Read one English short post or article daily. Don't try to learn every word. Just find the main idea and pick 2 interesting words to write down. Why it works? This expands your vocabulary with a small, measurable win every single day. Habit 9. Turn your mistakes into a daily fix habit. How to do it? Change your outlook. Mistakes are just data. At the end of the day, identify one mistake you made. Find the correct version, learn it, and move on. Why it works? This focused awareness is the fastest path to self-correction. And finally, habit 10, the English microjournal. Writing is just speaking in slow motion. Write 3 to 5 simple lines about your day. Try to use your perfect sentence from habit 5. And why it works? It forces you to apply rules in a low-pressure way, giving you real control over the language. Actually, you don't need a new app or more motivation. You need a system. These 10 habits are that system. Start with just 3 today. Maybe the AI session, the perfect sentence, and the microjournal. By the end of the year, English won't be a struggle anymore. It will be natural. If you're serious about learning, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and share this with a friend, and hit the bell for notifications. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.